All right, everybody, what I'm going to try and do is show you how I'm cutting a bucket for my Vevor waterer for the cows we got to set up in the field. All right, and one day I'll learn how to zoom in with this camera, but that's probably not going to happen. I forget how to do it because I don't use the camera enough, which obviously means I need to use it more. All right. You use a bucket. This is a 5-gallon bucket. It's a Home Depot bucket. With the top, I got off another bucket with the excavator transmission fluid, hydraulic fluid. But what we need to do is envision the water head coming up out of this 5-gallon drum and rocks sitting inside. So that being said, the first thing I want to do is to make a hole large enough to hold the head post, which is about that full, plus I'm going to drive in a T-post. All right, and with the T-post, it's going to need to be a little bigger. And of course, it's going to have to be installed after the pump head, if you will, hose head at the top, is on the ground and has been buried. Okay, and driven in with the T-post. So I need a hole here, I need it a little bigger for the T-post, and I need to cut this off as such so we can we can put the cover back on the bucket. So that's how it's going to go. All right, so two things I'm using right here. I want to make sure this is all still working. Okay, yeah, we're still going. Is a Sawzall, not a Sawzall, a door handle saw. Probably 2 inches or so, plus a jigsaw or what have you to cut as well. So step one, I'm going to make a hole here. I think I'm going to make a hole here. Okay, here we go. All right. That's how easy it is and how easy it should be. Now, I want to cut it out a little bigger here. Like so. Now I want to come down all the way to the end. And then cut all the way through. Okay? That way I can twist it like this and get it to go around the Vevor drain head. Okay, now when I go to install the head, I need to have the bottom open here so the water will drain out, plus we need to make a cut so we can get the hose in the 90 degree at the bottom to fit in here. Okay, so now what I want to do that is to cut here. And it probably needs to be a little wider. Okay. Going to drill a hole here so I can cut at an angle. Cut this out. Okay, very good. And then I want to cut a piece here, a hole here. So I can cut out the bottom altogether. Now let me make sure the camera's still working. And we got 41% power. All right. So, okay, here we go. And the reason I don't have all the parts here is I'm at a different place at the moment, not up north. And just so you know, it's going to be full of rocks. Okay, so this is going to sit on the bottom. The pump head is going to be going through it like this, with the hose coming out from a 90-degree elbow, and you'll see that in the next video. Let me make this just a little larger. That'll give me some margin. Okay, so here's roughly what it's going to look like when it goes in. And here's how it's going to sit. So there you have it. All right, this is a short video, but at least you can see how I did it all, and you'll see this in the video in a week or two when we get it all installed. So yeah, probably 2 weeks from now will be the video finishing this off. Thank you for watching.